సిటీ ఇండియా న్యూస్ తెలుగు.
నాగర్ కర్నూలు జిల్లా కేంద్రంలోని మెడికల్ కళాశాల ఆసుపత్రి స్థాయిని పెంచడంతో పాటు ప్రజలకు అందుబాటులో ఉండే విధంగా అన్ని సౌకర్యాలను కల్పించి ప్రజల ప్రాణాలను కాపాడాలని స్థానిక ఎమ్మెల్యే డాక్టర్ రాజేష్ రెడ్డి కోరారు. ఆదివారం ఉమ్మడి మహబూబ్ నగర్ జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో ఇన్ఛార్జ్ మంత్రి దామోదర రాజనరసింహ, జిల్లా మంత్రి జూపల్లి కృష్ణారావు సమక్షంలో నిర్వహించిన సమీక్షా సమావేశంలో ఎమ్మెల్యే రాజేష్ రెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతూ, మెడికల్ కళాశాలకు 300 పడకల ఆసుపత్రి సరిపోవడం లేదని, ఉయ్యాలవాడ మెడికల్ కళాశాల స్థాయిని పెంచి వైద్య సేవలు మరింత విస్తృతం చేసేందుకు అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు చేపట్టాలని ఆయన కోరారు.
So we cannot prevent 605 that area hospital because standard rates of government hospital. So what is the next option? I mean, my suggestion as discussed with Dr. when our regular it is better in the future we separate the government hospital and the private hospital. So we sincerely request you to sanction a new hospital from the private separately because this private hospital is not the area hospital which cannot prevent for next academic year. So we are working on that to get the permission for next academic year, but we don't know how to prepare those 300 patients. That is one of the major issues for this academic year. And number three, the area hospital sanitation and security issues been there from last few months, 6-7 months. We have been discussing about that. There is a small issue, there is an agency which is having an issue where the ground control. So cleanliness and security is a major issue in this private hospital. We are discussing on that. We are trying to resolve it. We need your help also how to resolve this issue. And there are fewer things to be considered, like their TR building, dialysis operation theatre, and dialysis room. There are small issues which are separated as some of it. Where we request you to kindly tell the PSMIC people to finish their work class so we can start out with those rooms, dialysis room, TR room, CT scan room. Another issue is the staff issue. Like we have all the equipment there, but we don't have sufficient enough people to operate them. Technical technicians. So major thing is government hospital sanitation and security problem we need to resolve as soon as possible because the hospital is in the state of bad condition. And second thing is we need a hospital again. Before we start the hospital now, it will take up to years to erect the hospital. It's always better to have a private hospital separately from the government hospital because now being a small town, the hospital in the center of the city, but we cannot expand the hospital further because when we started the medical college, they had put 1 year more to accommodate few beds there. But 350 to 605 is possible.
It does not differentiate between a teaching hospital and a government hospital. So hospital is still hospital.
Yeah.
Hospital is a small area, confined area is where you have an additional floor. Definitely you have a new hospital there.
If we can have a hospital in the public premises, it will be more better because it's also confined to the city, town.
And we have some space. I think we can buy it.
Now we are ready to we are the other day we were discussing in the last review meeting. So the same thing. And second thing is sanitation. I think we have some court case which we need to resolve as soon as possible.
Sanitation.
శానిటేషన్ దాని మీద ఆల్రెడీ కోర్టుకి చేసాం సార్. చాలా పాజిటివ్ అయిపోయింది. మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ రిజాల్వ్ అయింది.
Sir, resolve is not for any. Because that's why we use in the hospital.